Hey everybody, happy Thursday from super stormy Wiesbaden South District. Oh, that was a pigeon, wasn't it? It's super stormy and there is storm warnings out. It's going to get even worse of what you looking at right now. They're talking about wind speed 100 and plus miles an hour. Wow. It is all coming from I think from the northwest, west-northwest area. Look at this beautiful sky. Wow. I was thinking about going for a mountain bike ride, but this is quite a torture to ride against the wind. Hey, do you remember last spring break when the birdies, they were building these nests up there before the trees were blooming and getting green? There's 4 birds' nests up in the trees. I'll try to remember on which branch they were. We're looking at one nest right now, right in there. Zooming it all the way as good as I could. So now they get visible again as the leaves are falling. I'm curious how many of these 4 nests are going to survive the storm. So, hey everybody, this is your wrinkled friend. Let me head over to the hangout room window and let's have a look on the street side. Okie dokie. Wow, what a beautiful sun. Down here, it's not that windy. There's some wind blowing here on the southeast side. You can see the branches whipping just a little bit. On and off, they're whipping a little bit stronger. Like right now. Let's have a look at the cathedral, at the church. Oh, wow. It's nice warm out in the sun. So, yep, that's what it's looking like over here. Beautiful skyline. I love these beautiful bright colors, that bright yellow, and well, like every year the leaves are going to fall, and in a couple more months these leaves are growing back again. So just wanted to say hi real quick. Well, I will have a decent day today. No work to do. And yeah, tomorrow I'll be back for like 6 hours or so. Yard cleaning, leaf blowing, raking, putting them in trash baggies. So, wow, look at this. I just could stay on my window, standing and watching the sky and this whole scene here. So just to let you know, maybe I'll be back on the radio on tomorrow night, Friday night. I gotta check the weather app. There's more Still some more rain in the forecast that is going to happen. So, hey, I wish you a beautiful Tuesday morning, Tuesday late evening, depending on wherever you may be. Your friend Gunther, DK5ONV from home, 73, and thanks to the new subscribers. They just lately subscribed to my channel. Have a good one.